How to redeem Spotify gift card. First of all, you need to open up your browser on your phone. Here, I'm using Safari, but you can use any browser. Once you're in, tap on the search bar. Then type in spotify.com/redeem. So once you're done typing it in, you need to tap on the Go button on the bottom. You can also search Spotify Redeem on Google. So once you're in the website, type your username or email in this section. Hit Continue. It will send a verification code of 6 digits in your email. You need to copy the code over here. Or if you didn't get any code, hit the button Resend Code. Once you get the code right, then tap on Login. Here, in this page, you need to enter the PIN on the back of your gift card, or in case you lost it, you can also redeem the code by entering the premium code from your in-store receipt. After you enter the code, you need to verify that you're not a robot. Once you're taken through the verification process, you need to tap Continue. So here, you can easily redeem your Spotify gift cards and stream music without any ads.